Okay, folks, if you look at the bug on the Dow, we're up 223. Just a second ago, the Dow hit session highs of a gain of 300 points. We thought, let's show the Dow leaders here. Cisco, we told you about, good earnings. That's at the very top here. We've got Coca-Cola, IBM up 3.5%. Not bad. We've got Amgen and Travelers. Now, the Dow is gaining, but this despite the big fall in United Healthcare, second day in a row. This has been a horrific picture here. We can put up a two-day chart. UNH is hitting a 5-year low. And of course, the situation is such that there is reportedly a Justice Department investigation over possible criminal Medicare fraud within the company. We're continuing to watch this story, but it has been a very bad day, and yesterday as well. So we'll be watching UNH again tomorrow. In the meantime, newly traded public platform eToro down under a little bit of pressure here. You see the pop yesterday, though, after it debuted on the NASDAQ. It closed 30% higher. eToro is an online equities and crypto trading platform and is the largest public offering coming out of Israel since the debut of the Israeli autonomous driving tech firm Mobileye went public back in 2022. Let's get right to eToro's co-founder and CEO, Yoni Assia. He's joining me now. Yoni, congratulations on the debut. $10 billion reverse merger or SPAC deal, which you walked away from in 2022. What made you decide to pull the trigger now?
So first of all, super exciting day. We're here at actually the NASDAQ offices after the ringing the bell ceremony. Super excited about this milestone. When we look at 2022, we always call it the year of education. The markets were roaring in 2021, and I think everybody were only looking at growth at all costs, strategy only at revenue multiples. When 2022 came along, what we realized is that to build a sustainable, mature public company, we need actually to switch our strategy to profitable growth. And since then, we've significantly scaled our profitability. Last year, generating more than $300 million of bottom line EBITDA, where we feel very confident in our ability to continue and grow our business into the future as a public company.
Well, sure. And it's great. Congratulations. But you're not the first in. You're not the second in. You've got Robinhood ahead of you. Lots of other brokerages, including Webull, which just went public. When you look at the margins, I mean, obviously, Robinhood is the big one. OK, but they started small, too. Their margins, though, 49%. Your margin about 1.5% in terms of users. So, you know, when are you going to get up to speed with the premium offerings and everything else?
Well, I'm not sure what you refer to as the 1.5%. You might be referring to the total revenues, which are basically the volumes of crypto, similar to how Square reports their volumes. So our EBITDA to net contribution is about 40% last year. So we feel very confident in the current margins. We've grown significantly to have more than 3.5 million funded brokerage accounts that have over $16.6 billion. That's the end of last year, and our customers across the globe can trade stocks from 20 different capital markets alongside crypto assets in a very unique way, where our customers can actually see the portfolios of millions of accounts, their track record, and can automatically copy the most successful investors on the platform.
You're smart. We got about 30 seconds left, but you went to go have dinner with Warren Buffett to ask his advice, and no surprise, he doesn't like crypto. He said, stay away from crypto. And what was your answer to him when he told you that?
Well, I came, as always, to learn, love meeting my heroes and legends. And actually, I came back from there with a really understanding of the importance of the stock markets and alongside crypto assets, of course, but the huge opportunities and also the moat of eToro, which is the fact that we have so many customers on eToro with a 10-year plus track record.
Well, congratulations. Warren loves anybody who launches a business, so we'll continue to watch the story. Folks, thank you so much for joining us. NASDAQ's the only laggard here. That's going to do it for us.